Nice.
Hi everybody, welcome back. We're gonna drive this. Let's drive this thing. Cool thing about having a 3D printer also is you can just like print stuff like this. Hey, that's pretty cool. Okay, I went shopping. I bought some things. Well, sponsored by JF Off-Road, of course. Well, some of it was me. I'm talking marker paint pens, air filter, 4 lights for 20 bucks, belt. Okay, let's install all that stuff. You can't tell. Yeah, pretty torn apart right now. Okay, I'm pretty confident this is gonna do some shit. I think finally time for try it. Okay, I think might be the last try. The belt's too short and it was just ripping around, but that's sick.